Welcome back. Villagers of Kodli under the banner of Voice of Kodli Villagers held a protest demanding stopping of constructions mushrooming in Kodli. They allege that the panchayat body grants licenses to the builders without proper knowledge of the village infrastructure.
Building projects आमच्या गावात आमचा नका. एक दो builders को फेक दो.
या आमकां बिल्डिंगा नाका कित्याक पयले सुवातेक ते कचरो खंय उडयतले पळय ते आमकां कळोंक जाय. दुसरे सुवातेर ते उदक खंयचे सप्लाय करतले ते कळोंक जाय. आनी ही बिल्डिंगा येयत जाल्यार आमी खंय रावतलीं पोल्लेकारां खंयचे सुवातेर हे बायले हाडून हिंगा बोत्ता पळय ते आमकां नाका.
The people of Kholle are annoyed with the constructions mushrooming in their village. They have strongly opposed the constructions. They inform that in spite of several suggestions given in the Gram Panchayat, the Panchayat grants licenses to the builders.
We had taken a resolution, we had passed it in the Gram Sabha not to issue this construction licenses. But what the Panchayat body tells us is that Gram Sabha resolutions are suggestions and they overrule it. And they misguide the people saying that once the file is passed by the town planning, they have to pass, they have to give license, they are bound to give license, which is false.
A reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent Media.
And now news from sports. The standard of sports can reach the next level with the introduction of a dedicated sport division in schools. Don Bosco High School has taken the lead and plans on starting such dedicated sports divisions in every standard from the coming academic year. On Friday, Prudent highlighted how Don Bosco has successfully implemented the sports subject and smartly utilized the CCE rule to benefit sports students. Principal of Don Bosco Panji, Father Dominic Savio Fernandez, wants to set up academies within the school with available infrastructure, which seems to be a breakthrough concept in Goan sports.
After initiating sports as a subject into the curriculum of the students, the next step is a dedicated division for all sports-oriented students.
Our next stage is, God willing, with all the permission that we seek from our management and from the PTA. PTA has already passed it. We plan to, the next phase is going to be a sports division. So at the end of this year, now 3rd and 5th already in talent search, for 4th compulsory football every day. So just give them exposure to football. So with football they also get shaped into exercising with it. So every day they have, whether it's raining or whether it is sunshine. Next year, end of this year, there'll be kind of a selection team, representative of PTA, representative of the staff of the school, that is the supervisors, the PE teachers and the coaches. There'll be a panel. We'll be selecting the school teams in various disciplines. Now these boys who are selected are going to play for the team, will be put into one division. Like maybe the 6th day will be the sports division. Next will be 6th and 7th sports division. It goes on. So we'll have a sports division. Now why we are doing it? Because it will be so focused. Now if the boys are spread out in all the classes, teachers can't follow them up. If they're all in one class, we know only one class students are going for those tournaments. It's only from that class. So the teacher will be there, also will be a sports-oriented teacher. The PE teacher may be the class teacher of that. And therefore, he knows where the child has been left behind, what portion has to be completed. We may not even test them on all the particular whole portion, because certain things are only for learning purpose, knowledge purpose, so for testing. So we'll give those benefits of, so that, and we inculcate more of sports habits. So we have special kind of 1 hour training for them, which is going to be in the curriculum. There'll be workshop for them. There'll be interaction with great sportsmen from Goa, maybe also from outside. We have a lot of Don Bosco sports persons who are doing very well all over India.
Sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Sushant Pearl from Panji.
Rosary College Navelim won the overall men's cross-country title, while Government College quepem marginally clinched the women's title. The South Goan College trio of Government College quepem, Rosary's Navelim and Malika Arjun Kankon have been battling year after year for this title, and the students of these three colleges once again shared the spoils amongst themselves on Saturday. The cross-country race spanned 12 kilometers for boys and 8 for girls and was organized by the Goa University.
The men's event was flagged off from the university premises, whereas the women's cross-country was flagged off from Miramar-Donapal bypass road. Over 100 male and female college athletes participated in the extremely grueling test of grit, stamina and athleticism. It was Government College Quepem's Benny Rebello who took the top spot in men's race, while Nitisha Gaonkar of Malika Arjun Kankon won the women's title for a staggering third time in a row. Several physical education directors were present at the venue to cheer their students and were present at the prize distribution ceremony. Sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Omkar Fulari from Talegaon.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Have a great weekend up ahead. Goodbye.